So this is the image I'm going to use. I am on Pixel Studio. So now in order to make a brush stroke portrait effect, I'm going to import new image, a brush stroke image. So this is the image I'm going to bring to Affinity. So here it is. As you can see, it is quite big. So I'm just going to zoom out from the navigator here, and then make sure to select the stroke image. Select the transform tab here. I'm just going to place the transform here to the middle. So now I'm just going to click on the chain here to lock the aspect ratio. I'm going to left click here, left click again. So as you can see, my cursor is on the right. I'm just going to type the backslash and then 3, and then just press enter. It will divide both the width and the height by 3. Since we locked the aspect ratio, just press enter. So here it is. So let's go back to the navigator. I'm just going to change the percentage here of the zoom to 257, press enter. So now I want to remove the white background here from the brush stroke layer. Select the stroke layer, go to Pixel, Filters, Colors, and then select Erase White Paper. So here it is. And now I'm just going to place this layer here. And now I'm just going to select the layer and then drag it on top of the women thumbnail. So here it is. As you can see, it will be used as a clipping mask. Make sure to drag it on the left on the women thumbnail, not on the right. As you can see, it doesn't do anything. Place it on the women thumbnail. So here it is. And now if you select the clipping mask, this one here, make sure on the move tool you can, for example, increase the stroke to reveal more of the image of the women layer. Once you like the effect, I'm just going to select all the group layer. I'm going to select the women thumbnail. So here you'll be able to move that layer, the whole group layer. So here it is. Even if you scale it, it will scale only the mask and the women, the result. So I'm just going to scale it more. So here it is. So now I'm just going to add a new fill layer. Go to Pixel, select new fill layer. I'm going to place it under the women layer. I'm going to change the type here to radial. Make sure the context is fill. I'm going to left click here on the point here on the middle. I'm going to select the blue color. And then here I'm going to left click here on the point on the right. And then select the black color. I'm just going to zoom out from the navigator. And then here I'm just going to drag it. It will give the kind of vignette effect. And now if you select this point here, you can still, for example, change the color to your liking. So I think I'm going to leave it here. I'm just going to select the move tool.